Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Milo, and if you were here for my last video, I made a origami paper airplane. Today we're going to make a different kind of origami paper airplane. All you'll need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, let's get started. So, all you need is a piece of paper, okay, and you'll turn it vertically. Fold it right in half like our last one. Make sure it's really good creased. Open it up. Fold the corners down into the middle. Remember, grab the corner, fold it down to the middle. Remember from our last video. Well, my last video. And then after you're done with that, instead of folding it back up, we're going to grab this and bring it down here to the middle once again. So it looks like that. And go ahead and do that to both sides of the airplane. And once you're done with that, then you fold it up. Okay? Get it all good and creased. So it should look like this. Okay? And then you grab this and bring it down here. Okay? Kind of like our last one. Then turn it over and do that and open it up, and here you go. You have a second paper airplane. Well, if you were here for the last video. I know I keep saying that. I'm silly. And it should fly just as well as the other one, maybe even better. And once again, you can write your name. I like to do that on all of mine. And you could draw on it. But yeah, and who knows, I might even figure out another way to do another airplane. And this time I'm actually going to show you how far it will go, okay? So I'm just going to go to the other side of the room, turn it over, and right behind the amp. Well, I hope you liked my video today, and see you until next time on the Clement channel. Booyah!